I'm going to watch the man Chalamatala and Pink Boss, and we are represent to the fullest, you know. I'm going to say, here me no OneKnockTV. You don't know the thing go with there. Live in an Irish pen, you know, a place of birth. You see, Bird?
So Pink Boss, welcome. Alright. So tell us, why that name, Pink Boss?
Well, I don't know, you know. You see, pink, I'm my favorite color. I know it's kind of weird for a man to say pink is my favorite color, but I say me, pink is a color where me a rock from me a youth till at one point the girl used to call me Pinky. You see me? And I say Pinky. Why for that name there? You see me, Pinky a girl name. So I say, you know, I want to keep that pink thing there, but me no know. Till me just there, me had one day, I say, oh, you know, Vybz Kartel and my mentor in the music, and I sit and I say, World Boss, Pink Boss. I just send out a broadcast, and the fans say they like it, and we just run with it. Is it? Yeah.
I can always say, yo, Pink Boss are the girl them boss, you know.
In a real life, because you don't know girls are attracted to pink things in here. So me say, anywhere at all them go and see Pink Boss, oh gosh, a history.
Attraction. Right away. So, tell us a little about what led you to music.
Well, to be honest, you know so for me about 7-year-old, me remember, me locked down one stage show in the community here. I want to tell you, say it's a Beanie Man song me sing, you know. You see me? So from them time, I see say, yo, me kind of have it within me. You see me? So, me kind of come to books and start re-encounter. You see me? Beanie Man and Bounty Killer song them back in the days and thing. And you see me? Flip them my way and you see it? We are doing it, but we really discover our talent, you know, in a grade 8, you know, in a high school, you know. You see me? Yeah, man.
So most people know you from Magnum. So tell us a little about that Magnum experience.
Well, I want to tell you, say Magnum is one of the best things ever happened in my life. You see me? Because I guess I want to tell you, say, you see, same song them when we used to sing before me touch Magnum. Nobody didn't want to hear them. Till me stay so I enter Magnum and stay so I go shut up Magnum and people start book me for sure. So money start coming for the same song them where people they never want to get no listening here. So guess what? Me have to leave up Magnum.
So since Magnum, although you compete, but unfortunately you didn't win, but nonetheless you're a good artist. So since then, coming up was to know what you think has made you become a better artist in terms of the experience from Magnum.
Well, Magnum teach me say, yo, anything where you want in a life, you have to work hard for it. You see me? Yeah. Them show we say, here we are going. This, nobody that you're talented, you go just feel like say, yo, you can just forward. You see me? A week time and just go out there and no. You have to work, you have to campaign. You see me? Because music is a thing where you have to have good work ethic. You see me? If you stay relevant. So you don't know Magnum, show me them things there. You see me? So big up Magnum again, you know.
I know that you are very popular among people in the industry. So tell us about some of the people who encourage you within the industry and tell you how to do the thing right.
Well, I want to say big respect to Dinero. You don't know Andrew Blacks, the whole UIM. You see me? Yeah, man, you don't know Smashing Records, them said we. You don't know them have me, guide me right now and show me the thing. So right now, I just work on my craft and it just get better and better and better. So only just look out for big things from Pink Boss. You see me? Yeah, man, I'm big up my cousin Blogger because you see if I never for him, none of this wouldn't be possible. Because guess what? Them man, they push me to a extent. You see me? Remember days gone by when Magnum audition I go on and me say, your family, me not go, you know. That's what I say. You see me? Push out all a piece of cheese and say, yeah, man, go on an audition, man. But we go, and guess what? They never do want to see them time there. You see me? So nothing happened before time.
Earlier this year, fans got a little scared when you were in that car crash. So tell us about a little bit about that traumatic experience.
Well, as me I say, you don't know, Father God, you don't know, you have to respect him and love him every time. You see me? Because you don't know, once you God bless you, anywhere you go, God always send an angel for guide you, you see me, on your journey. So you don't know, as me say, a Father God at work, you see me, and for him say, yo, nothing can do a Pink Boss, nothing can go do, you see me? So you don't know what they say thing there.
And you're back, ready for the road again.
Oh, yeah, say, man, we're always up and running, man. We're always ready. You see me? Yeah, man, from you say studio, you say Pink Boss. From you say performance, you say Pink Boss. From you say work time, you say Pink. So right now, we're up.
know that you and Tanto Black are a good friend, basically come from the same place. So tell us about that link between you and Tanto.
Well, I want to tell you, say, you see Tanto is a youth and I wait for him a long time, you see me? And when me forward, you say, Boops and drop out a Magnum. Tanto comes to Boops and get me number and link me. See me? Call me and say, Pink Boss, you're a bad artist. You are going, we need to do some road, you see me? So Tanto really send for me and stay and carry me go out there, you see me? Some shows when I dream of as an upcoming artist to perform pan. You see me? Tanto Blacks make me perform pan them, you see me? So you don't know, big up Tanto Blacks, you see it? Up move.
On a video on Instagram, you made a little freestyle, very, talented, lyrical, and you said something about the Sparta Nation, and a little bit about the Sparta camp. So is it safe to say that you're a part of the Sparta camp?
Well, I now go say that, but you don't know if we go UIM, you know, say we go Sparta, you see me? So you don't know one family, one link, you don't know, big up yourself, family.
And in that same video, you mentioned the teacher, Vybz Kartel. Earlier in the interview, you said you had a lot of respect for Vybz Kartel.
Well, we be not tell them from day one, you see me? I'm going to show you this. Watch out, hold this topper. I'm telling you this. You see, Pink Boss, we ain't no fake Gaza. Watch out, zoom in on this. You see it? Yeah. We are no fake Gaza. Big up Vybz Kartel. You don't know. You see me? Yeah. You don't know a thing. You see it? One knock. Make sure you catch it, You see me? See it there? See it there? You don't know. You see me? Straight. Yeah. Yeah, man. So you don't know, big up Vybz Kartel. We been a tell them from day one. My artist that. You see me? Where's Fat Kartel says Spanish Town? Our place. Oh gosh. You know the thing, though.